Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can record a video without permission of Zoom. So in this case, log into your Zoom first. Give your ID and password. After login, I'm starting a new meeting to show you. Now, I'm in a meeting already. If you want to, if you're a host already, you can record this video by going here. But you are not a if you're not a host, how you can record this without permission? You should go to open a new tab on Chrome browser or any browser and write here screencapture.com. Then you will find this website which will allow you to capture your screen without permission. So if you want to turn on your microphone will be allowed. If you want your webcam should be on, just click on this, but I'm not clicking on this right now. Now you should click on start recording, this button. Now go to entire screen, this one, choose this screen and now click on share. Click on allow. Okay, here is your video is on live right now. And now go back to your meeting and you can talk anything. All will be recorded. All activities in the screen regarding your voice and others' voice, everything will be recorded without permission. Okay, so after completing your recording, how you can download this? Just stop this if complete. Okay, here now just go to here download, and it's downloaded in your file system. So guys, this is how you can record a meeting without permission of your host. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.